Discover how to quickly switch the streaming output destination in OBS Studio from Twitch to YouTube. Easily connect your YouTube account and modify your stream settings. Open OBS Studio. Launch the application. Go to Settings, click on the File menu and select Settings. Select Stream tab. Navigate to the Stream tab on the left. Change Service. In the Service drop-down menu, select YouTube. Connect your account. Choose to connect your account or use a stream key. Follow prompts. If connecting, log into your YouTube Google account and follow the on-screen steps. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.